Manfo memo bia good afternoon. Osomfo ani kwame yeboa obroni one. Madane soko nipa. Behind me is a soko car from Joy Industries Ltd. Yes, our faithful and thankful and forgetful the Ebinio. Forgetful and count. But our grateful and cherished sponsor, Joy Industries Ltd. Omoana de soko baye, me se munjene ye soko. So because I soko Jesus said dead. Omoa so na teteno. Omo de Joy ointment, ne Joy semina ye de dware e baye. Ansana Joy daddy bitters, the true bitters of the land. And Joy Kedie mukaseme refi. Ebini Joy Kedie. More power, more joy. And our coded location is Sandra Obeng in as in hotel, as in guest house, as in baby amamfo enya baby da eji omweni fefefe. Yes, they are very close friends to Blacus Entertainment and Blacus TV GH. And nunti ena yenyina ene yabahase na ene metra wo said ya hatie no. Today is live more than the last week. India me kasane say baby ami wono is so lively. Me pese me kire mo said ye omo gardens ne tie. Eho ena ene ye be ye show. Ai me die me pade a efe. Me pade a efe pa. And look behind me. Moshe inwia flower. DJ Nelson, I can see you smiling. Koswane sere na eye. We are back again. Yeah, DJ Nelson. Good job, Kwame Yeboah, my namesake. Yeah. Please check. Yes. I checked it. I checked the internet and now we are back. Sadia midika kan no. Midika bo hu dawro. Ene chere wadwen. Produced by Blacus Entertainment, aka Blacus TVGH, and brought to you by Joy Industries. And that Cherewadjane is about relationships. Is it true? No crese. The good boys always end up with bad girls, and the good girls always end up following the criminals. And what can we do to improve? What is a healthy relationship? Relationship a kono eni Bamochel and the location I Yekopeno asemo all the way from Agona Swedru. Ewumua na network na etwetwesi. Bamochel say ebasa munsi abotre just few seconds and we will definitely back online. Yentumi nya mosa na yentumi ntana ema network ema show no enye basa debi. Said the medical car no and then we talk about relationships. He was the first one. Sana, a man no metumika. What about boys? Oh, she told me she was a virgin. My respecting is a no. Me who video be na headmaster at the Totoggy style. Virgin pioneer. Obi imagine this Oh. And some might decide, Someone, did you ever have these kind of experiences before? What the wakuma say we a bema or oyo wa share video way? What the wakuma ama obita nipanedi ohiamo ya or jaw ya when ya bida ebia toda say be toda. Fa wadwen bra fa wa experience no fa osua hu awunya no fa bra. Tell us, catch the yen no kure say you're bad or you're good boy obey a mistake you end up following the bad girl. When him say be a lady no or you're virgin on pen and wasem on pen me masem e wie chirina or a slay queen. Me say, maybe atesem na me kan. Abrofo beka say the talk of a layman. Just say, Obia, oye, or papa shekwa unim she no. Ebini. Say Obia yan experiences no. Me so me wo me die. Mo so mo wo me die no. Ena enye me die nti. Ena me bie show we no. Me pe mo amo die no. Mo amo nyansa ne usuahu no amunya free mu no. Mo famra na ye nyina ye nche. Na ye nsua ne ma pa free. Amado do say ena mo tie say omo say me de makuma nyina ama no. Nso de ewie chiri no. Gano say on pemma o yo bi on pene ho asem. Nso hwe. Hey mema. Mema. How many times did you hear this? Countless times. Countless times. And to remind you, this is the beautiful place called Sandra Obeng Inn, all the way from Agona, Swedru. And this is your boy, Mosumfu Kwame Yeboah, aka Obroni1. Obiam Fanadwemra. All the way from Agona, Swedru, location Fefefe. I say Bree Gardens. Fantastic. Obiam Fanadwemra. And remember, Maureen Fise, this show is brought to you by Joy Industries Ltd. Joy Daddy Bitters, the true bitters of the land. Joy Tradie Ginger, more power, more joy, and Joy Soko Dedo. Sanity. And as usual, the show is produced by Blacus Entertainment. It's on Facebook, Blacus TV GH. I am on like it. Wow, share video we know. Se unya like me page. Kindly like it for me. Kwame Yeboah Obroni1. Like my page, please. Terror. I saw your thumb up. Mi hu kokoro muti say what page den me rain view. Ma hwesa emefe. Me da wase. Koso ane pemasem. Kwame Yeboah Obroni1. I'm also on YouTube. If you are watching live, mema wakwaba. If you are watching it dead, that just say ya bo show na to. Efe na o wanya show na hwe, enye hwe eno so mepe, eno so mani ho. Please like this post for me and like my page Kwame Yeboah Obroni1. That's our YouTube Kwame Yeboah Obroni1 anoa. And Instagram the same name. Edina na yede atoso. Aisha meda wasene ukukuru muti wa peja ama me. Menso me peja bia ma. Meda ase. Aisha oya obao. Fa wadwen bre. Ana bema bia ni ohua moda. Hey, ene we lucky pao. Is it true that the good girls always end up following the criminal guys? And is it true that good boys always end up with the slay queens or with the bad girls? Hey, Obi say I shouldn't use the slay queen adio. Mon fancheme. Me you so be him. But bad girl there, Meka. York, you're a victim. Oh, Minya. Tell us, talk about it. Cherewadjin. For the name of this show, the namesake, Cherewadjin. If you are a victim, tell us what happened to you. So obi to me etianotiawa emaya Mr. Fabra. Put it in a comment and let's listen to it. Also, otie obi a wotie bia say ebia wonya video we enhwe na live enye hwe, you can still put your comment, drop it and I will communicate with you. Cherewadjin talk show live on Facebook, Kwame Yeboah Obroni1 fan page, and it will be repeated on this page and on my YouTube channel on the same name, Kwame Yeboah Obroni1. Asedakesie a enikabia a yedema Sandra Obeng Inn, as well as Home Touch Restaurant. And ewo guest house in Enchen hono. Oh, a drew weekend a hot bosso. Hey, enyum. Chale, o fanokwa. Enyumri kra boy be bosso na nyagro. Na show be basso home touch enyumri me ka me kyeremo. Coffee B nyina tuatua line. High life artist old school and the new school nyina tuatua line. Nana Akosia Lipsi mema wakwaba. One affectionate client and patronizer of Kwame Yeboah Obroni 1. Nana Akosia wonso kawage nchereme. Obi ante wakumada. Ade ye fan of broken heart. Oh. Yenyina ye. Move on, chemi wife. Yenyina ye nipa. James also. You want to come around? Well, say Obeng Swedru ana say oh baby a obetumi afaka abedru ha say bra. You will be very, very much welcome. The show is tonight. Something brutalistic. And it dear brofo we dear mekofano we. Me amente brofo. Hey. Just to tell you, say, show a beba sunyumri. You just cannot afford to miss it. From home touch, just adjacent Sandra Obeng guest house, all the way from Agona Swedru. Still J-boy. If I come to Ghana, I will be there. No problem. Na say you want him for country bay. Kachira yen. Na obabi ante wakomada. Bring your experience. Fa wasembe toja. Na yen ni hu nkomo. Eno so wo ho. Eno so hia pa. Yembre no ekopao. James Ousu, yes. When will you go to Italy? Oh, Italy. Asemo. Well, Nyambua, Enfansebia, Acha by next year. Mekohoaba. Yes, Duncan. Oh, yeah. Shia Chapa, now who to say? Obabi ante wakomada. Hey, and then people don't want to talk. Hey, Obi can say I'm a victim. Fair enough. Tell us your experience. Tell us what happened to you. And then, asembe na ito, ujina so ka say why a victim. O say why a victim? I made me jodi. All right. Wo ye bema, me nso me ye bema. Ebi ato me krada. Enti e then na esie, e na etete wakoma. Obeng na yemfa nhye no. Asen so ama bebre wo ha o. Me sure say obia wo experience, but nobody wants to talk. Hey, asemu. Midika can say. Obi say, hey, me de makuma nyina ma no. Me de makuma nyina hye nensa na wodi me hwammo. Say wo twempe na wo mechi. Say o twempe na be mako 100 o. Emema. Hey. James Ousu. No, my brother. I don't stay at Swedru na mum a location bia ye be ye program wo ha fefefe binti e na ye hu hyehyɛ no enti I just couldn't wait no mean to mentna at the studio of Blacus TV and sana ye tutu ho na mo na ya ba ye program wo ha ye be late so what you see. Still J boy. Grazie. Opa se maiadie medawasi. Anche tu sei bravo che mi stai seguendo. Continua a seguirmi. Dan Duncan, I've lost your contact. Oh, cap. Okay. Me debamo. I know there. See me in chambers. Me debamo. Why? Na se o share video we na wuni Ghana grandpa wo amanonea. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Catch what down for so no son country na down for. Obia should tune up to Kwame Yeboah Obroni 1 fan page and watch the show. Because show we know. Say show no beye enika. Say a show no beye enijie ne akono. Ejina mo amuso. Na me de metumi akasa ma de ache and I will be so boring to you. Mempenesa na mum moana mo be ma show no aye fe. Aye akono, aye enijie. Oh Melvin, thank you for your lovely face. Medawase pa. obia o hwe bia say o Ghana o US o Italy o here fra wadamfo no nso mfra nadamfo no nso mfra nadamfo say monhwe Kwame Yeboah Obroni 1 fan page on Facebook monhwe KYERE talk show live na say when to me anhwe na live so a onye bone na emom si abotre in few minutes if I say embo be tre kra acha embo be tre no. The video will be available on Facebook as well as YouTube channel. Me so me YouTube channel ya to din se Kwame Yeboah Obroni 1. Edin krona the same on Instagram, the same on Twitter, but I'm finna say Facebook and YouTube. And the main channels are bobi to me enya video we ashe. James also, hey, you asemo. And you be you just don't ask the reason why it is like this. Ade bit is obia nim de nti oya na ade no nti say wo bisa na na akwa somehow. I say de empanyimfo say okoto dankwanta say odankwanta so a yembisa dankwanta say de nti na odankwanta so na anhia dankwanta anka onankwanta so. Ai dankwanta de okoto no so dankwanta so no de onim de nti odankwanta no so. Na ukobisa na yeden. Sa sanity. Once again, let me remind you, KYERE Talk Show is produced by Blacus TV GH and is brought to you by Joy Industries Ltd, the makers of Joy Ointment, Joy Soap, Obeng, ama uhunam atoso, ama uhunam aye woname kama. Na odware wia. Na wo the Joy Ointment no asra. Driba ohunama pro mpompo skin problem ben edempa na eha ohunameni anase uwidie no fa Joy Ointment esra ohun na nyina beko one time. Yes, Daddy Vibes, thank you for laughing. Keep laughing for me koso anesre mame eno so hu hia me Joy Fonana omode Joy the debaters ebaye enti se wodware wie na wosra wie na wakono mansa de io sono nato in Italia, fratello mio. Obisame se yewo me himfa yewo me Italy abrochi memo. Kenneth, too much of you. Oh, also too much of you. Thank you, medawase. Oh, Mr. Mo amote hanyina mo amohwa nyina mo fa madwemre ana sebio obi beka se oh ebi atomeda no the nsa kataneni wa fere Mr. Minua me papa me mame emfere se obeka wadwen a kire yen emfere se obeka de a eto wo no asema eto wo no e kire yen no. Don't be scared of it. Asemwe etumi to obia na ye be na den. It's an experience. Obia betumi esua adepa efrim. Na mami misamo se ebia experience no anase asempotin aito wo na ebia feel say obeka. Let's go straight to the point. Cynthia, how long have you been in Ghana? Longer than you think. Okay, so far the enfie makoma do 10 years. Yeah. Now, asama me pese mi bisa ne se. Based on your experience, no. Mo say obi betumi aka say yeah, J-boy me da wase why. Obi betumi aka say experience a onya enti no. All boys, remember nyina all men cheat. Sorry for the glitch. We are back again. Tell us your experience first. Hey, you. Desmond Tate, I feel happy when I see you speaking Chi with much parables. Oh, medawase. Well, my experience, tell so me abema, me nipa. Obiate makumada. Me de mahunto so nyina, ne megidie nyina, emma obia na medone pa. Nanso nipa no wamfa no se ampa. Ena odi me hwiamo. Ya. Oh, me de ebi atome da. Me mfere se meka me experience no. De atome de. Ena me mfere nso se meka se enye nipa ba ko pe ena wate makomada. Yes. Enti me no osuahu na menya free mu ne se utu wanamo a hwe wanamo ntuo no so yie enye obia ena obetumi de wani ato ne so enti ya hweyie na emom eno nkyere se obia ne ho a ofata wogidie obia ne ho ofata ahotoso obi wo ho a ofata gidie ene ahotoso obi wo ho a wode wakoma hye ne nsa obesomu tse kusua. The thing is how to get that person, how to find it. Yakopon beboa ama wonsa aka media maka media na wi o. Oh, Desmond. Oh, stop bene, grazie. Obisa me se me ho te say. That means okasa free Italy na boa. Ene die Italian fo na bedo so kakra meni age. Dan Duncan stai facendo un gran lavoro. Grazie. O pacere se me ye ejumakesie enti o mame amo. Minso me dana sepa. This is what I got personally, my own experience no. What is your own? Enche bia ene ye de shono beba na wieye by 2:30 something ana yentwimu gagranka ho. Hey, say shono eye nika ana eye den say be ponsa no. Na mum e wo say ye di time so pepepe. Say the be ya next time no. Obi anim said the next Sunday there from 2 o'clock to 2:30, that's the show. Even though we'll be having some interruption due to bad network. But, well, this is some of the problems for you. Dirty Vibes, your own be lying. Tell us what... Oh, Jimmy Chinye. Now, what do you want to know what happened? Oh, I have some more. Tutti in Ghana ti amano. O se obia per ma se mo Ghana. Ebia enfana say the greatest, the majority. But fine. Me pen samum me pe. Na yes obia do wadue. Obia tan so adue. Enti enye obia na obitumi ado sa but eye me da nyame ase. No. Wadwin Talk Show live on Facebook. Kwame Yeboah Obroni 1 fan page. The same also on YouTube. Kwame Yeboah Obroni 1. Please subscribe to my channel. Kwame Yeboah Obroni 1. Also subscribe. Hey, it's just a click. Hey, Nana NYC. M-Dub. Yo. Nana NYC. Mema Wakwaba. We're talking about relationship tonight. This afternoon, man. I'm sorry. I think your time is affecting my time. Your car relationship just say obi ate wakumada. Now no say good boys always end up following the bad girls and good girls go after the bad boys. So obi ate wakumada. Kadieto wono chere yen. Ka chere yen. Na yen nyina yen sua de pa emfrim. Nana NYC, if you're watching, you can also bring your mind and your opinion or even your experience if you have some to share. Kantam Kwesi, hey, you're doing good, my friend. Thank you for believing in what I do. It's my YouTube channel. When you subscribe, hey, click. Just say what they want Satya say, and they say, what subscribe? It doesn't cost anything. Nanso, it means so much to me. It's also a show of love. Odomia, Obeyamame. I am Kweku Atli Obroni 1. Meyere, opese obra tena brotrim. Nanso, me ankasa me pese yentena Ghana mu. Enti yenye den yedase. Okay. Oh, Nana NYC me da wasene kokromoti awa pejama me. Oh. Bra Kweku. Kakra metumi aka ne se. Baby amu betena no. Eya ade a mumienu nyina esese motena se na momfa ho adwen na de ebeboa mu nyina ena mobeye de mu nyina mope ena mo de beye adwuma enye de obakofo epe anase de nipa baako pe epe efrese mo ye nipa mienu mo sa ye ohunam baako enti ebasa na chese esese motumi ka motribom mo adwen nyina monkambom na monye de ebema mo mienu nyina ani agye kakra metumi aka no na de aka no onfa nkompo ebom say mpaebɔ na wobo a say meditation contemplation na woya fa kum fa wadwenjwe ne kum na nyankopɔn obema omuaye enche bia kyerɛ wadwen akakakra bi na ye show no aba na wieye. The network today has been giving us hard time. Nana NYC was today. I love the tree. Thank you. Keep laughing because Osrea eye. Keep up the good work. King M-Dub. Yes, sir. Yes, my brother. Yes, my brother. Nana NYC is a very powerful and talented rapper, Ghanaian rapper based in the US. Enchebia or the album but my meaning in Accra or collabo. Menka shebium. And my inti enkasa na emom hwe kwan se collaboration fefefe bi ebeba some inspirational enyum bia ekowasoma it will capture you. Hazel Obapa, good point. Medase Sarah Kina mema wakwaba efe na waba behwe. You are very late, you are 30 minutes late. What ohema meda wasene krokromete wa pajama menso me pejabia ma. Relationships. Me jedi say dodo na mo hwe show we no monya broken hearted da sebi impreduasa obi atem akomada said the menso obi ateme die na da. Does it mean say oye bema untumi nye mani oba bia ni ho obetumi agene di ana say oye oba bema bakokra ni ho a obetumi na nante amana yeye untumi mfa wakoma ana say wogidie enhye bema nsa ana. Is that what it means? Say osuahunu a wunyae ana say asema eto wo no e na wo mfili say wo beka. Tell us what you think. Eden e na wo dwen fa ho. So that I'm late to yo me de obani ache wate. Menim say next Sunday there over on time. Dirty vibes obroni me pa chowa me. I know so I can experience no ho. Me ma wareda. I know the me fancy obia, me fancy madofo omudi mechi. Omo hwe me videos, omo pemasem, omo dome. Ma ware ejai. Eno na ete makoma chen bibia ewo mabrabom. No kra ba kope ewo se ka. Nanso masua niema bebre efrim. Enti nansen me de bom ho ban. Masua nyansa. That is all I would say. Menim say enche obi beba be bisa me say na say me date ana ma ware ana omo pese menka bibi. I know the if you see me in chambers, maybe I will disclose that to you now. And I said the next time, because sir, relationship asemono wow, it's not just about asema yeka na say ibia obiate wakomada enti dia na wo sua free no. Enya no nko a ti anase ema mom na omota fa omukunu no mechi. Eno de ye mo ho nkomo ne na mom dasene ena yebet ene moadwen a mutumi kire ye no kire wadwen talk show live on Facebook. Please here we are. We have to conclude. I was say ye no ye fefefe meda obibia se mokosoa meda obibia se mokosoa di mechi mo amosomfoni kwame yeboa aka Obroni 1 Bakope 1 in town. Today we were at Sandra Obeng in at Agona Swedru. Aseda kesi ani kabia yenema the managers of the hotel and Home Touch restaurant. And enyumre so obetumi aba Swedru bra to hwana mama na yentintia ne bra be hwa de program e bekoso enyumre ebini hwa ebi mai krampoda. Fantastic, fanta brutal, fantabulastic. Eno de ye beka brofo akesi amonte krampoda. Asada kesi enso Blacus TV GH, the producers of this beautiful show, and our dear sponsor Joy Industries Ltd. And also for my beautiful costume, the credit goes to Pinkett Creations. Mo pebisa See me in Chambers. Se mo pe atade fe se ya anase o casual atade bia mo pe se mo customize keke. Patching, beads, anything you choose to add to your dress. It's possible. Contact this page and I will connect you to Pinkett Creations and she will do it for you. A very purely African. Yada obibia se. That's a ne. Yebesa ishia biem. Ewo chere wadwen talk show live on Facebook. Kwame Yeboah Obroni 1. That's the page. You can still watch this video on this page. Please, if you haven't liked the page yet, like it for me. It means very, very much to me. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kwame Yeboah Obroni 1 on YouTube. Meda obi biase. Yebesa ishia biem. That's a ne.